In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in less than 5 minutes. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please click the 3D button and type E to extrude like this. In edit mode, type A to select all, V as in Victor to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's create a plane and add curve and array modifiers. In edit mode, let's rotate the plane. The rotated plane should have created a cube-like block, but it didn't. Do you remember how we have added the curve modifier first, so that modifier is at the top of the modifier stack? The stack order is very important, and the array modifier has to go to the top, in order to make this work. Sometimes, even when we have the array modifier at the top, we get the same issue. When that happens, please go to Object Mode, and press Ctrl A to reset all transforms. Here are the material details. Please apply all modifiers, go to Edit Mode, and randomly select some vertices. We can move the selected vertices up a bit, and we'll get the result we were looking for. Here are the sky texture details. Lastly, here are the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.